WordPress 7.0 just released a massive update in 2026, and honestly, some of the new features are insane. In this video, I will show you 7 major new features in WordPress 7.0 that really you need to know. It's not possible to cover every single update in a single video, so make sure to check out my other video for the full WordPress 7.0 walkthrough. Alright, let's begin. Very first one is PHP requirements. WordPress 7 requires minimum PHP version 7.4. Which sites running with PHP 7.2 or 7.3, they will not be able to update WordPress 7 until their PHP version is upgraded. For best performance, PHP version 8.3 or higher version is recommended. Most quality hosting providers already supported PHP version 8.3. So, before updating WordPress 7, check and ensure the server PHP version is 7.4 or higher. Okay, let's see how we can check the server PHP version from the admin dashboard. So, go to the admin dashboard and hover on tools, then click over here site health. That's perfect. Currently you can see here two tabs are showing, status and info. Maybe you can see more tabs. Just you have to navigate to the info tab. So click over here info, then scroll down and click over here server. That's great. As you can see, server architecture, then web server, then the PHP version, and this is the server PHP version. So if you want to update WordPress 7, then check and ensure the server PHP version is 7.4 or higher version. You can see I said 8.3, that's why WordPress recommended version is 8.3. Feature number 2, AI integration, which is the game changer feature in WordPress ecosystem. For the first time, AI is built into WordPress core. In WordPress 7, AI integration has been centralized to make AI power tools more accessible and easier to manage. Now, user can connect and control AI feature from one unified place, helping with content generation, image creation, SEO improvement, smart writing assistance, and workflow automation directly inside the WordPress dashboard. And you will get it under the settings. So, go to the admin dashboard and hover on settings. As you can see, general and connectors, which is the new feature. Just click over here connectors. That's great. And this is the AI integration which is added in latest version WordPress 7. If you want to learn how does it work or how you can configure it, then you can check my YouTube channel. I have added the video in details how does it work or how you can configure it. Or you can check this video description, I will give the link. Feature number 3, visual revisions. WordPress 7 introduced another feature which name is visual revisions. So user can check it from the editor. Okay, let's see how we can check it from the editor. That's why go to the admin dashboard and hover on post, click over here all post. That's great. Now edit this post, WordPress 7 AI update, edit it. That's great. If you check in right sidebar, then you can see discussion, then the revision, which is the new feature and added in WordPress version 7. Revision, you can see revisions 4. Okay, just scroll down and edit this post like I want to add an image. So click here, select image and upload. That's great. Select it and open it. Okay, save it from the right side of visit this post. Okay, you can see the image is added. Again go to the editor and refresh it and check it. Okay, then again you can see revisions is 5. Previously it was 4. That's been 5 times this post has been edited. Okay, so in this way you can check new feature visual revisions. Feature number 4, modernized dashboard, which is the very important feature for WordPress version 7. The new modernized dashboard in WordPress 7 brings a cleaner, faster and more user-friendly admin experience with improved navigation, refreshed UI components. Okay, let's try to compare between latest or modernized dashboard and the old dashboard. So currently I am visiting the latest or modernized dashboard. Just hover over on settings, just click over here writing. That's perfect. You can see the smooth transition. Again reading, and if media, and you can see the page change very smoothly. Again go to the old dashboard. Okay, hover on settings and click over here writing, and you can see when the page is changing, all page is reloading. Okay, so again media, you can see the whole page is reloading, and this is the difference. Feature number 7, command palette shortcut, and you will get it upper admin bar in left side, and this is the new feature, Ctrl plus K. If you are Linux or Windows user, then you will get it shortcut like Ctrl plus K, or if you are the Mac user, then Command plus K. Okay, let's check it. How does it work? Like Ctrl K, if you want to add or if you want to install a new plugin, then you do not need to navigate to the plugins or plugins, then the add plugins. Directly you can do it from here. Just type here add plugin. Okay, add plugin, just click over here add plugin, and you will redirect to the plugin add page, and this is a significant time saver for power user who manage content and settings frequently. Then again click over here like Ctrl K, and if you want to add a post, just type here add post. Okay, you can see this is that post. So easily you can navigate to any option from here. Feature number 6, font library for all themes. The font library skin is now available globally for all themes like classic and block theme. You can find it at appearance, then fonts. Okay, hover on appearance, and this is the fonts, which is the new feature. Click over here fonts. Okay, you can see this is the library. If you want, then you can upload your custom font, and click over here install font, and you can allow access to Google font. If you want to learn in details about it, you can check my YouTube channel, or I will give the link in this video description. Okay, feature number 7, responsive editing mode. Now you can show or hide any individual blocks based on screen size without writing any CSS or installing any third-party plugin. The visibility options include mobile, tablet and desktop. Okay, let's check how does it work. So edit this post, just click over here edit. That's perfect. Just click here and try to edit it. Hover on it, options, click here, then you can see new option like hide. Click here, then you can see hide on desktop, hide on tablet, hide on mobile. So if you want to hide or show any specific block for any devices, then you can do it easily from the editor. If you want to learn more about WordPress 7, then you can check my YouTube channel. And that's it. These were some of the biggest and most exciting features introduced in WordPress 7.0. If you want a complete walkthrough of all the new features, make sure to check out my full WordPress 7 tutorials. Video link in the description. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more WordPress tutorials. Thanks for watching the video, and I will see you in the next video.